So here we are folks, part 2 of the garden rejuvenation, the bed rejuvenation. Today you'll see that I've managed to transplant some basil plants, put in a little path, tilled it all up, added all the extras that I wanted to, a couple of wheelbarrows of compost from my own compost. You can see my other video on my compost heap, and finished on top with a 100-litre bag of vermiculite, which is all these little white rocks you'll see in a moment. And yeah, not too bad if I do say so myself. And here we have it. So these two recently transplanted, basil today, pineapple sage last week. Put in my little path. That's all going to be a herb garden along the fence there, a little compost bin there, pathway all the way around to the end there. And all this has been tilled up. All of those additional things that I wanted in there are now in there. So we've got cow manure, chicken manure, worm castings, lots of blood and bone granules, and the vermiculite. And between all that and the vermiculite is the fresh compost out of my garden composting system. And yeah, if we sort of take a step back, you'll see that that is now almost 150 mil above the 200 mil edge. So we've actually got quite a lot of extra material in there, which is absolutely fantastic. So it's all going to be nice and light. I've got access from this side, access from the back side. No more walking on the garden. And there's my little in-ground worm farm there. But yeah, it's part 2. All finished, all done, ready for the green manure crop now. And there we have it. Happy gardening.